The Innovation Center has multiple rooms reservable for meeting or individual use. Near the back of the Innovation Center first floor are 2 conference rooms and a phone booth. The first room, Venture Lounge, is a tech-free space which seats 6 and includes a large whiteboard and conference phone. Next is the phone booth, perfect for private phone calls or video meetings and available on a first-come, first-served basis. We offer lockers to members for short or long-term use at no cost. Last is the Ideation Conference Room. This windowed room seats 8 and has wireless interface capabilities and a conference phone. The first floor is also home to the Concept Cafe, our primary event space, which is covered in a separate video. On the second floor is the Summit Conference Room. This room typically seats 12 people. It has audio-visual capabilities, including 2 televisions with wireless screencasting abilities, a computer podium, and room-wide speakers. The room also boasts a full whiteboard wall. All meeting spaces are available for member use or to the public for an hourly rate.